Do you think that protein might be the culprit of your bloating? Let's discuss which proteins you should be taking if you want to avoid the bloat altogether. Let's get into it. Hi, my name is Maya Valenti with Naked Nutrition. I'm a private chef and nutrition coach, and I'm here to answer all your questions about health, wellness, and supplementation. All right, guys, today's question is, do protein shakes cause bloating? And if you've ever felt puffy or uncomfortable after a shake, you're definitely not alone. So let's discuss what's actually causing it and what you can do about it. All right, let's get into it. So protein shakes are incredibly popular because one, they're convenient, they're effective, and they're a great way to support muscle recovery. But for some people, they can also lead to digestive discomfort, especially bloating. And here's the key point. It's usually not just the protein itself. It's how your body digests it and what type you're using and what else is in the product. So when you drink a protein shake, your body has to break down that protein into amino acids using digestive enzymes. And that process, well, that takes work. And depending on the type of protein and your own digestive capacity, it may not always happen efficiently. On top of all of that, many protein powders contain added ingredients like artificial sweeteners, thickeners, preservatives. Things like xanthan gum or sugar alcohols don't always digest well and can actually ferment in the gut, which is what's gonna lead to gas and bloating. One of the biggest culprits is lactose, especially in whey protein. So if you're sensitive to lactose, your body can't fully break it down. So of course it's gonna be fermented by the gut bacteria, and then it's gonna cause you to feel bloated and uncomfortable. So your gut microbiome also plays a role. Okay, so the bacteria in your gut helps process undigested proteins, but that process can produce gas, and everyone's gut is different, which is why some people feel fine and others don't. Finally, things like portion size and the timing matter. A large 40-gram protein shake is much harder to digest than a smaller serving, especially if you're drinking it quickly or you're not staying well hydrated. So what can you do to reduce the bloating? First, choose the right protein type. This might be trial and error, that's okay. If you're sensitive to dairy, try avoiding whey altogether, or especially casein, and go for plant-based options like pea or rice or hemp protein. So if you're still wanting dairy, look for isolates. They tend to have less lactose and fewer additives, and they're typically better and easier to digest. Second, consider hydrolyzed protein. These are particularly broken down before you even consume them, which makes it easier to digest and puts less strain on your system. Third, pay attention to how you're mixing and drinking your shake. Mix it thoroughly so it's smooth and drink it slowly. Don't just chug the thing. And start with smaller servings and then build up so that your body has time to get used to it. Another helpful strategy is to support your gut with prebiotics and probiotics. These can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which may reduce bloating over time. You also want to balance your protein with carbohydrates because pairing your shake with something like fruit or oats can help with digestion and reduce that stress on your system. And don't forget the basics, guys. Stay hydrated. Water plays a huge role in digestion, and not getting enough, well, that can just make bloating worse. So if you're still struggling and you might want to look into alternative protein sources, plant-based proteins, hydrolyzed proteins, lactose-free options like egg white protein or beef protein, and products without artificial sweeteners are all great options that tend to be easier on digestion. So what's the bottom line? Protein shakes, yes, they can cause bloating, but it's usually due to lactose, additives, or portion size, or how your body processes them. So once you have an understanding of what's triggering it, you can simply just adjust and avoid that, still getting all the benefits without the discomfort. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and drop your questions in the comments below. And for more on our many clean protein powder options, head over to nakednutrition.com, because here at Naked Nutrition, we believe in nutrition with nothing to hide. Bye guys, see you next time.